Welcome to Zisodel TV. Kindly subscribe, share, and like for latest updates and news.
And in President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, Your Excellencies, ladies and gentlemen, we have a leader that we can invest our trust in. I am not playing politics, I am speaking from the heart. I have seen the soul of Bola Tinubu, and he has a good soul. He means well for the nation. He wants to live in a place of glory. He is not in power to engage in primitive capital accumulation, no. He is in power to leave landmarks in the sands of time. He is the most demonized politician in Nigeria. The first time I went to his house at Bourdillon, the Lord of the Bourdillon, I was looking forward to see a mansion comparable to a Buckingham Palace, with gardens, with swimming pools, with leaves, and it was an anticlimax. When I went to the house on the Bourdillon, where the Lord of the Bourdillon holds court, I saw a derelict colonial structure struggling to wear the looks of modernity. There was nothing special about that house. My house in Maiduguri is better than the house on the Bourdillon. It's not about apportioning blame, but it's about finding solutions to our nation's needs. We knew there are challenges. The president had the courage, the political courage, and the willpower to take far-reaching decisions. And it always comes at a price. It's a parturition process. When a woman is about to give birth, it's a very painful process. But after the child has come forth, it's cause for celebration. I believe that posterity will be very kind to this poor man. He has taken far-reaching decisions. And the economy, we have crossed the Rubicon. The economy is now on a path to sustain growth.